Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is actually a late video really. I should have probably uploaded this first before I uploaded the others, but I'm just going to do it now anyway. It's just an introduction to my channel, what I'm going to be bringing you, what I'm going to be doing, where I'm from, and just all that sort of stuff. I'm going to be doing a lot of psychology videos, financial market videos, trading, money education, uh, basically just journaling my journey to becoming a trader so you can learn from me and not make the same mistakes that I made. I've been trading for about 10 months. I'm from the UK, I'm 27. I made a lot of money last year trading, but I also lost a lot of money. I basically almost lost my job. Well, I did lose my job. I lost personal relationships. I just went down a deep hole. The past 3 or 4 months now, I've only just got back to myself, like working a 9 to 5 again. Yeah, so you're gonna get full transparency from me. I'll show you my wins, my losses, just anything you guys want to see, you can let me know. At the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you a breakdown of a trade that I am in right now. I'm in profit on gold, XAUUSD buys. Yeah, so like I say, if you want to follow me on Twitter, I post like 2 to 3 times every day on there. Jacob Pet at Jacob Trades X. Yeah, I got a WhatsApp group with a couple of us in from like we're all from different continents, so we're all just like helping each other grow, sharing trade ideas. A few of us actually took this same trade idea, and obviously we're all in profit right now. I'll be doing, like I said, a lot of psychology videos to train your brain how to think about money and trading, everything. Um, yeah, I think that's it really. Like I say, this video is a bit late, but I thought I'd just get up now. Yeah, so let's get into the trade breakdown. I'm going to be uploading one video every week, every Wednesday, 7 p.m. UK times. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope it makes sense. Like I say, any questions, let me know in the comments. And I will see you in the trade breakdown. So, what's up guys? We're on TradingView chats right now, on gold. This is my current trade. As you can see, here's a live account. We are currently up in profit here. My stop loss is here, and obviously my TP's here. I took this trade due to the DXY dollar dropping below 98k, so it's very weak right now, which is very good for gold. On the 1 hour, we broke buyers here, so price broke above these lower highs here. Building structure up, obviously. Drop down into the 15-minute is where I took the entry. Around here, as I see me corrected, we set the pushback up again, so that hit my alert where I wanted to enter. So right now we are here. I'm looking to get out around here, around 900. Yeah, so basically that was the trade. As you can see in the 15-minute time frame, we are building higher lows, higher highs. On the 4 hour overall here, we are obviously building structure up here. So yeah, it's been slow price action at the moment. I highly recommend to add the DXY dollar. As you can see here, we are very weak. When it's between 98 and 97 or anywhere below, that's like good for gold. Same with silver, to be honest. Silver is pretty much the same thing with gold. Silver follows after gold usually. I believe we could see to around 5k maybe. Obviously the next high to break is here. So if we break this, I will be holding to 900. If we reject, and I might close, but we'll see. I'm actually going to move my alerts up, to be honest. I'm going to move the alerts here. So yeah, it was a simple trade. It's a 1 to 3. Like I say, I'm growing my account. As you can see in my other videos, I'm not looking for massive swing trades at the moment, as obviously price action isn't the best with everything going on in the world. This was like indication. It broke here, indication, correction, and then a continuation. So I entered here, and obviously we're here now. Like I say, I believe we could go to 5k. and then I think we could see a major sell-off again. So we get to 5k, we could definitely drop to like around, say, to 5-700 before we start building back up again. Or it could either do this, it could go to 5k, drop down to here, sell off, and then it could just start building lower lows, lower highs, and if it breaks here, I'll be looking for it to go back. This will be the next target. So, like I say, we don't fully know yet with everything going on. The market's very manipulated, but that was my symbol trade idea. Nothing too big, nothing too crazy. Simple trade due to dollar being weak and the indication correction and then the continuation, which is ICC. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it made sense. Got a lot more content coming. Yeah, so if I make any mistakes, I'll put it up. If I lose a trade, um, I'll let you know on Twitter. I'll also make a video on it in the breakdown. There'll be a breakdown of if the trade wins or loses anyway next. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on this trade, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to go follow my Twitter, Jacob Petch at Jacob Trades X. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, feel free, comment below. I'll post it. Yeah, so thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.